Hey everybody, Soldier Turned Farmer Gary Roth here. Now I don't know if you can tell, but this is a 15-foot batwing brush hog. It's a House brand, H-O-W-S-E, and it's attached to my 966 International tractor. Now my farm ground is leased to a farmer that does the actual farming, but I do a lot of the maintenance of the ground around here. So my biggest question to you is, how often do you sharpen the blades on this thing? I haven't really sat down and sharpened it yet, but I can probably count on both hands how many times I've actually cut the few acres of pasture in the back. So, I mean, it does a pretty good job, but how often do you do it? How sharp should they be? Do you really put an edge on them, or do you just kind of round it a little bit? Let me know. I could use the help.